Hello, my teacher. My name is Fabian Antonio Quesada Callejas. I am a student of Industrial Engineer and this is the course of Valuation and Negotiation of Technology in the group 93. Okay, next. Below, I present the cause and effect diagram which contain the main obstacle that arises when registering a tumor, excessive time in the process. Next. Bond recommendation to avoid the obstacle. Guarantee the information provided is true and verified. Take into account the value of the documents present to avoid setback for their return. Have documentation that accredits the merchandise before the register. A custom manifests in costs of being imported. The reference. Thank you.